Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. So in yesterday's market update video, I perfectly predicted again the perfect move where I told you guys that market price will come down and consolidate inside this order block right here. It will fill it by 50% and the target was in between. I told you guys in between 18 to 18.5k, and similarly same happened. Price came down with this area right here, 18,500, and then bounced by almost $1,500 and then hit 21k right here. So we also traded this move into on our Discord channel as well. Let me show you that also before we get into the video. So this was the move. Here it is. This was the move that we traded with our students in our students community in Discord. So we perfectly caught 1:2 trade. Here's the example how our students trade with us live into our Discord channel. So again, we predicted a move down when it was around 19,500, a move down into 18,900. So we will discuss this move into our today's market update video. So this update was only for our VIP Discord members. So perfectly same happened, right? We were expecting like that move. So let's start the video with BTC USD. We will discuss 30-minute time frame first, then we'll get into 4-hour time frame, and then I will explain what all this stuff is and what is the possible next move. So let's get into the video. When it was around 18,500, we predicted the move to go down and consolidate here inside this box into for our Discord VIP members. So what's happening right now is I told you just yesterday that price is trying to hold this mega order block, which was actually on 4-hour time frame. This order block, price is trying to hold this order block right here, and if this order block gets holded, then we can see a possible move up again towards 20k or maybe it towards 22k. So this was our yesterday's market update analysis. This was basically the order block in which price again trying to come and consolidate it. Currently price, what's happening right now on 30-minute is we can see formation of a Wyckoff accumulation again in accumulation. So basically it's a second schematic of a Wyckoff, which is indication of a bullish move towards upside. So there are two zones for now that we have to consider. One is this order block right here, which is a potential order block which was responsible for the move up on 30-minute time frame. So this is the order block right here. We might see price come and fill this order block maybe by 50%, or maybe it filled by completely filled by 100%, or may it fill this STNB right here. So what can be the possible next move? Price may come down filling this imbalance or inefficiency right here, and then it may test this STNB right here, or it may fill this order block right here. But that's not the stuff to be discussed right now because it's difficult to fill this order block. So what's happening right now is price can come down, fill this order block by 50%, which target is around 18,700 and in between 18,900. So it can fill it by 100% as well. The target of that would be 18,500, where this STNB would be completely tested. So what can be the potential next move? We might see formation of spring right here, then test, and then the other schematic would be a bounce potential from here. Where would we target? We will target area of inefficiency in form of imbalance right here, and then our next target would be this order block right here, and we will trail our SLs, and our next target would be area of inefficiencies right here, but we will use trailing stop losses in that case. So guys, the criteria is quite simple. We are seeing Wyckoff accumulation again on 30-minute time frame. What are we expecting? We expect price to come here, and after confirmation we might move up, and whatsoever the next move is, our VIP Discord members know about that. So if you also want to join us on our Discord, so you can DM us on Telegram. We will let you know what's the criteria to join on us on Discord. So let's get into 4-hour time frame, and let me tell you what was our expectations on yesterday's market update. So yesterday I told you on 4-hour we are seeing a formation of giant Wyckoff accumulation, which started with automatic rally, the buying climax, the STNB, and spring. So we never saw a test of this spring. Remember, whenever it's a Wyckoff accumulation, if a spring is not tested, so it has to be tested in future. So what's happening right now, we saw a test of spring right here, which I discussed in yesterday's market update video. Then we saw a potential up move till 21k, and I clearly predicted 21k in yesterday's market update video. So whenever a spring hasn't tested yet, it has to be tested in future, and price is currently trying to test this spring again, which target is around similarly around 18.5 to 18.7k. Okay, what's happening right now is price trying to test this zone, then spring, and now here would be our test. After test, we can move small. We can see a potential small bounce towards upper zones. It may be 20,500 or it may be 20,000, 21,000. So the targets I already discussed in 30-minute analysis. So guys, this was today's market analysis video. What can be the second scenario? Okay, let me remove all this stuff from here. So what can be the second scenario? We can be completely wrong here. What if this order block gets failed to be hold? If this order block gets failed to be hold, what would be our next target? Our next targets would be in between 16 to 14k. So this is a possible next scenario. That's why we always use stop losses in our trades, and we trade with proper risk management. If price fails to get hold above this order block, then this Wyckoff accumulation wouldn't be considered as correct. Then this accumulation would be changed actually into a redistribution, because a spring wouldn't be validated into that case. But that's not the stuff to be discussed right now. We will tell you in our next market update video, or possibly into our Telegram channel, about this criteria, if it's gonna to be happen 16 to 14k. So guys, this was today's market update video. This scenario is quite simple. We are seeing a test of the spring, and then we can move we can see a small bounce in price. So make sure to join us on Telegram and subscribe to our main YouTube channel. So guys, this was today's market update video. Thank you very much.